So now you understand the mistakes in tarot timing. But the real question is, how do you actually say the timing to someone in a reading? Because knowing something internally and expressing it clearly are two very different things. In real readings, many readers feel stuck here. They understand the cards, but when it comes to timing, they hesitate. They don't want to sound wrong, so they either become too vague or they avoid timing completely. Timing in tarot is not about giving exact dates. It is about explaining the movement of energy in a way the other person can understand. You are not predicting like a calendar, you are guiding them through what is unfolding. So instead of saying something like this will happen in 10 days, you can say this feels like something that can happen quite soon, or this may take a little time to unfold. This makes your reading feel natural and also more accurate. When you see that something is still developing, instead of saying this is far away, you can say this looks like an early stage. It is still building. It may take some time to fully come together. Sometimes the situation is not moving in a straight line. So instead of giving a fixed answer, you can say there is movement here, but it may not be continuous. There could be some pauses in between. When a situation depends on someone else, you don't need to sound uncertain. You can simply say, this may be influenced by another person's decision, so the timing could shift slightly depending on them. When you see delay in the cards, instead of saying this won't happen, you can say this may take longer than expected, but it is not blocked, it is still unfolding. So, if you bring everything together, your response can sound like this. This situation is moving forward, but it may not happen immediately. There could be some delay, and it may take a little time to fully develop, but the energy is there. The moment you stop trying to sound exact and start explaining the energy clearly, your readings become more natural, more accurate, and much more trusted. Timing is not about saying the perfect number, it is about saying the right understanding. And when you do that, people don't just hear you, they trust you. In the next and final video, we will bring everything together and understand what true tarot timing mastery really means.